In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your Remitly Bank Transfer Pending. So typically, your bank transfer on Remitly is pending due to them conducting some safety precautions and actually seeing if the recipient details is correct. So if your recipient details is correct, even by a little bit or wrong for even for a little bit, it will actually make your transfer pending. So for this, you can use the tracking features of Remitly. So they use these tracking features in order to see if there's delay or issues. So we can also handle your delays or issues right here. If the money transfer takes longer than expected, you can check the app for notification or instruction. Additionally, delays can be due to extra verification steps such as the things that I have mentioned earlier, bank processing times, as well as public holidays, which actually cancels or delays the actual operation of Remitly. For that, you can contact customer support in order to expedite it. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.